And welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to draw a baby giraffe. You know what is a baby giraffe called? It is called a calf. So here we have completed with our drawing and now we will color it with our favorite colors. In this video, we will learn how to draw a baby duck. You know what is a baby duck called? It is called a duckling. So here it is a final look. In this video, we will learn how to draw a cat which is sitting, or we can say it is lying, and we'll color it. Here it is done. With the help of a spiral loop or a spiral design, we will draw here the different kinds and shapes of fishes. So here you need to draw different designs on a particular fish, and now we'll color it with the different multiple colors, and here is the final look of it. Here in this video, we will learn how to draw a puppy with the help of 6 and number 2. We'll connect it, and here it is the final look of our puppy, and you can color it with your favorite color. With the help of a pizza slice, or you can say a pizza slice shape, we'll draw a fox, and we'll draw 6 for its lower body and a thick tail. Here it is completed. Now with the help of alphabet small d, we'll draw a baby dinosaur. You know what is a baby dinosaur called? It is called hatchlings. Here in this video, we will learn how to draw a baby whale. You know what is a baby whale called? It is called a calf. With the help of this slant design and a round face, we are drawing here a bird. We'll learn how to draw a baby rabbit. You know what is a baby rabbit called? A bunny. Yes. So here we have done this. With the help of a bottle cap, we will learn how to draw a circle with 2 eyes, and we'll go for a baby cow. You know what is a baby cow called? It is called a calf. Here our drawing is completed, a baby calf holding a snacks. In this video, we will learn how to draw a peacock. So firstly, we'll go for the face, feathers and claw feet. You know these feathers are called train, and here it is completed. In this video, we will learn how to draw a butterfly. These are the big wings of the butterfly, the antennas and the body part. You can design like this, the wings, and it is completed. In this video, we will learn how to draw a frog with the help of number 2, which is opposite there, and finally it is completed. Thank you for watching our video.